Davidson here, and today I just wanted to shout out a really quick video. And today I wanted to talk about the website that I'm using to find camping spots that is called Boondockers Welcome. Boondockers Welcome is sort of like Airbnb. You pay $50 a year, and then you can see all kinds of camp spots all over America that are for free or for little to nothing. This is my first site at Boondockers Welcome, and the host has been amazing. And with this site, it's really nice because you can read the reviews of other people who have stayed there. You can read reviews about the host. They have a rating, and so it's really great. So you know that you're not going to like some creep's house. So it makes you feel good. Mom and Dad, don't worry, I'm safe. The host has been really nice. So when I got here, actually my faucet broke when the water pump was on. Water was coming out of the sink in the kitchen no matter what. So if I wanted to take a shower, water had to be running in the sink. And it was actually a really simple fix, and the host helped me figure out what parts I needed to get and let me borrow a pipe wrench that was actually from Erie, Pennsylvania. How cool is that? So I got it all fixed, and then upon fixing that problem, my toilet started leaking from the bottom a lot. So that's a new project for this week, but I'm gonna get it fixed. It seems like a $20 fix. I'm becoming a plumber in no time. But yeah, this website is really cool, and I just wanted to tell you guys how I choose where I'm gonna pick to camp, if that makes sense. Choose where I pick to camp. It does. First, I picked this website, Boondockers Welcome, because it's free and it has hookups. Secondly, I choose the Moose Lodge, and that has been the 3 nights prior to coming here where we slept, and it's really easy. Those ones didn't have hookups, but a lot of Moose Lodges do have full hookups. They're like an actual RV park, so that's really nice. And then my third order of business for camping would be like Cracker Barrel, Field and Stream, Walmart, things of that such, but I try to do that as a last resource if I can camp somewhere like this for free. I'd like to camp everywhere for free. And then I'm sure every once in a while I will treat myself to an actual RV park. So if there's nothing in the area, or if I have to, and those are really nice, and that'll be nice to, meet other RVers and do things of that nature. But I'm going to try to keep my budget low and not ball out like I'm retired. But yeah, I just wanted to let everyone know I am safe, and the host is great here, and I'm going to show you guys the property of where I'm staying at. And then, yeah, check out their website, because if you want to go camp and you have an RV, and some of them even allow tent camping and that nature, so check it out. It's really cool. I'll give you a whole 360 view. Yeah, I'm in South Carolina. So, yeah, you guys check it out, and I will see you again soon. Have a great day.